14 things you need to promise yourself to be a better you in 2015. An optimist goes a long way. And you know why? Because he is hopeful. Finding good in the world around you is just that. Finding hope. It will restore your faith in humanity, in this world, and above all encourage yourself to do good. So keep up the good work. If you hate those limp hair, detest that wrinkly forehead, or get disgusted every time you look at those raccoon eyes in mirror, make a promise to yourself to go to bed at fixed time each night and take at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep daily. And not just that, it will also keep the stress at bay and help you focus on work better. They just don't keep on repeating like a broken record that when health is lost, everything is lost for nothing. It is a fact. Walk, exercise, and take care of your diet. Do yourself a favor and go for regular checkup to the doc. Yes, even if you are not terminally ill, and if you don't want to, because sometimes prevention is the only cure. A heart without passion is like a body without soul. Remember, you once fought with your folks to get into art stream just so you could paint for a living? What happened to that passion itself? Revive him. Okay, you are doing a different job, but you can still paint, dance, or sing. What are Sundays for? You may not be the face of Times magazine or a page 3 celebrity, but you are what you are and are still important. Be confident of yourself and take pride in it. There are many people who love and admire you. So keep that head high, shoulders straight, and walk like you don't care. Bow down by ***********. Yup, the most important mantra of all. You are the first and the most important person. You need your love and respect first, then would anybody else come in that picture. Love whatever shape you are or whatever work you do, or despite how much marks you scored. You deserve love, and first of yourself. Whatever you do, wherever you are and however caught up you may be, you need to give more attention to yourself. Take out time to do what you like. Pamper yourself. Go out, watch a movie, or just cuddle up with a good book and a cup of tea. Friends are everybody's need. They help you grow, share your feelings, joys and sorrows. They make you laugh and increase the fun element in your life. Seek them often. Stop declining their offer to go bowling and rush out. Yeah, I know, that is the hardest of all. Not all relatives are good. Some are actually dull and selfish. But then they are family. And you just can't ignore them. Dial that number and keep in good touch. It will be worth. Now this is the worst thing to do. You must understand this. When you took a decision, you thought that was the best thing to do at that moment and in that scenario. So why regret now? It's not your fault that things changed. Let go of the past and start living in the present. Only then can you be truly happy. Make it a habit. You will yourself be surprised how good you will feel about yourself then, making a small difference in your own little way. You do not need to make big donations. Just a cup of tea for a cold beggar outside of your home will also give you so much peace when you will see that grateful smile on his face. Roughen up your brains a bit. Solve puzzles, complete crosswords, read current affair or good books. Mind exercises go a long way to keep you smart, alert, and bring that self-satisfaction and sunshine in your aura. You never grow old enough to stop learning something new. Try your hand at baking, or learn a new language, or maybe playing guitar. Challenging yourself to learn a new skill keeps you active and young, besides keeping your life always afresh. No matter how sexy Deepika looked in her low-cut gown or how sensational Hrithik looked with that tattoo, don't copy blindly. You will only look good in what you feel good. Try out different styles and choose which truly defines you and is comfortable. Fashion rat race is for fools. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.